everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a review on the Beauty Creations foundation. We'll put this foundation to the test. Okay, so I already moisturized with this Aveeno Ultra Calming Daily Moisturizer. This is really good for dry skin. Oh, and I almost forgot. If you guys want to learn how to do these eyebrows, I have an eyebrow tutorial that I just put up. So yeah. And do you guys like my new background? I got a light and everything. I'm so excited. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing a review on the Beauty Creations Flawless Foundation. Mine is in the color 2.5. This foundation is more for oily skin because it's a matte foundation, so I just made sure to like moisturize like 3 times. And since it is a matte foundation, I am going to use my beauty blender with it. So I'm going to go ahead and pump it to the back of my hand. We'll do 1 pump first. And you could see that the foundation is pretty thick. Like it's not falling off, like it's thick. So I have tried this foundation on, but I was like, when I went to the store, they told me that since I do have dry skin that I should mix it in with an oil. So that's what I've been doing and I've been loving it like that, but I really want to just test it out like on its own. So this is one of the first days that I'm actually gonna do that. So just tap a little onto the beauty blender. Okay, so before I move on, I want you guys to see the difference. So this side has foundation and this side does not. So I don't have a lot of like discoloration, but I do have like redness, and I feel like it is covering it, but I could still see some picking through, but it's not really caking up on my nose. 1 pump with the beauty blender did basically my forehead and like half of my face, but I do have a big face, so maybe you'll just need 1. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another pump. So with the other pump, I'm gonna go ahead and do my face and then focus under my eyes. Get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Make sure you get this area. Since it's so small, I sometimes forget and then it like looks weird. Okay, so I feel like I have a pretty good layer of the foundation on my skin right now, and I think it looks good. I think it gave me enough coverage for what I want. I think it is full coverage. And then over here by my nose, it doesn't look like it got cakey yet. Since I am dry, that tends to happen. But I think it looks good so far. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my under eyes. So with that same second pump. Do you guys notice the difference? I put like the concealer, the second layer right here, and over here not. I don't really see a difference. Today I'm going to Universal Studios with my family. I have some family from Cabo that came over, and then my uncle and my whole family from Bakersfield is coming over too, so it's gonna be the whole gang in Universal Studios, but it's gonna be packed. It's snowing, but I haven't been in like years, so I'm like really excited to go. And I don't think it's gonna be too hot today, so we'll see how the foundation does, because if it was hot and I was sweating a little, it would help me like not be so dry, because I'm sweating, get a little oily. Maybe the foundation would work on me, but I'm hella dry and it's gonna be cold. How do you guys think it looks on the skin? So I'm debating on whether or not I should like set it. I usually don't set my foundations because I'm dry, but most people might set it. But for my skin, I feel like it's not gonna be good. But I am gonna do like my bronzer and blush. Okay, so now I'm gonna do like my bronzer and my blush and all that. What else would you add to it? I'm gonna go ahead and do my bronzer and my blush and all of that right now. The bronzer I like to use from Anastasia, and it's in the color Saddle. And then I just use a Real Techniques big brush. The bronzer looks good on top of the foundation. It doesn't look like it's picking it up or moving it around. Since the foundation is matte, I'm gonna go ahead and use a blush that's pretty luminizing so I won't look so dry. This is the Laura Geller blush. Baked blush in Tropic Hues. The foundation, I don't know if you could tell, but it's kind of, you see right there, it's kind of separating on my nose, which tends to happen with a lot of foundations. I'm a whole ass mascot. Why didn't you tell me that thing was falling down? Should we do highlighter? We're gonna do a highlighter. I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill, the Flash palette. And I like to mix all of them. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over the limits with you right now. Oh shit. I'm back. So for the setting spray, I have this one by Beauty Creations. It's the peach setting spray. It smells really good. Foundation is still kind of setting from the setting spray, but I think it looks good. Look at it. I'm gonna use this mascara so I don't look too crazy right now. It's the It Cosmetics Superhero. Oh my god, this is so good. Look at that. That's just one layer. so pretty. Like, that's just one layer of mascara. If you guys haven't tried this mascara, it's really good, and it usually doesn't transfer. The lipstick. I'm gonna use the MAC lip pencil in Cork. And I do overline my lips a little bit. So once I like outline it, I just like to blend the lip liner in. On top of that, I'm gonna go ahead and put the MAC lipstick in Bronx. Once I put the lipstick on, I like to just go like this. And then it'll kind of like fix my lip liner, and then I'll have to go back. So I feel like this lip color went like a little darker than I wanted. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove some from the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and put MAC lipstick in Cream Cup. I think this looks way better. More pinky vibe. So the foundation settled in already. I think it looks really good. I feel like my bronzer, my blush, and everything laid really good on top of that foundation. Yeah, it looks really good. It doesn't look cakey on my nose. It's creasing a little bit under my eyes, but that's why usually I don't set my foundations, because I'll just be like, but it looks really good. I'll go ahead and update you guys throughout my day. You know, we're gonna be walking around, sweating, eating, so we'll see how the foundation holds up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so this is my foundation. I believe it's like 12. Still not cakey. It's creasing a little bit by my smile lines, but overall it still looks good. I like it. So it's about 5 o'clock now, and the foundation still looks really good. It's not getting cakey at all on my nose. And yeah, so I just got back home. It's around 9 o'clock now, and as you can see, I'm a little bit more shiny, and I have dry skin. But I mean, I didn't use powder, but I think it still looks good. My blush, my highlight, and my bronzer stayed on. It didn't like fade away or anything. The only thing I'm noticing is it kind of separated. Like, it looks like it's separated right here on my nose, and like it looks like it's starting to separate around my cheeks, and you could really see like under my eyes. Like from far away it looks okay, but then once you start like looking real close, I don't think it looks the best. But I mean, for 12 bucks, I think that's how much it is. For 12 bucks, it's really not bad, and it's really lightweight and doesn't feel cakey at all. And I like it. I mean, this is the foundation that like I would wear like to work, or like something just like an everyday thing, because it's buildable. You guys saw how I used it like for concealer. So yeah, that's my review for the Beauty Creations foundations. I hope you guys found this helpful, and go ahead and subscribe and like and leave a comment down below. And thank you guys for watching my video. Bye.